INS Surat guided missile destroyer successfully intercepted a fast low-flying target using MRSAM system in the Arabian Sea. Following the terrorist attack in Pahalgam, India has suspended the Indus water treaty with Pakistan and has shut down the Attari border with immediate effect. Pakistani nationals have now been barred from travelling to India under the SAARC visa exemption scheme, and those already in the country must leave India in 48 hours. Ex-Pentagon official Michael Rubin has said that it's now the duty of India to do to Pakistan what Israel did to Hamas, and it's time to wipe out the leadership of the ISI. Pakistan has moved its troops and fighter jets closer to the India border, and leaves of all Pakistan Army personnel have been cancelled. Pakistan has issued a notification to carry out a surface-to-surface missile test off its Karachi coast along its coastline. The Border Security Force has initiated trials for the DRDO developed Ugram 7.62mm indigenous rifle as a potential replacement for the INSAS rifle. Veda Aeronautics has started delivery of 200 Sureshastra Mark I kamikaze swarm drones to the Indian Air Force. Hyderabad-based ICOMM Tele Ltd and UAE-based Caracal have kicked off a small arms manufacturing facility at ICOMM's Integrated Engineering Facility in Hyderabad. Bangalore-based NextLeap Aeronautics Private Limited and Dheya Technologies will jointly design and develop advanced turbojet-powered unmanned aerial vehicles. Turkey has donated its TCG Vulcan missile boat to the Maldives Coast Guard, which is interpreted as a subtle message to India amid shifting geopolitical dynamics. Vietnamese Air Force's technical personnel have started receiving specialized training from Indian Air Force to enhance their familiarity with the C-295 transport aircraft. With the induction of 3rd SSBN later this year, and the 4th SSBN in 2026, the Indian Navy aims to maintain at least 80% of the SSBN fleet in a combat surge-ready state, allowing for 3 submarines to be at sea at all times, and this high level of readiness is critical to guaranteeing a credible second strike capability. The Navy has contingency plans to deploy 3 SSBNs simultaneously that will require regular maintenance and logistical support, and also advanced training regimes and real-time readiness evaluations. TATA Advanced Systems has started a loitering munition project that will have a weight of 2.5 kilograms and will incorporate a morphing dihedral wing configuration. The morphing wing will allow the UAV to adapt its aerodynamic profile in real time, enhancing stability, maneuverability and endurance. While the current design targets a 2.5 kilograms platform with a range of 50 kilometers, the technology could be scaled for a longer 300 kilometers range loitering munition that can be launched from trucks. Hyderabad-based ICOMM Tele Ltd in collaboration with UAE-based Caracal have inaugurated a world-class small arms manufacturing facility at ICOMM's Integrated Engineering Facility in Hyderabad, and this exclusive facility will serve as a local manufacturing hub for a comprehensive portfolio of advanced weapons under a historic technology transfer agreement that includes CAR 816 5.56 by 45 mm carbine, CAR 817 7.62 by 51 mm rifle, lightweight CSR 338 bolt-action sniper rifle, CSR 308 bolt-action sniper rifle, CSR 50 12.7 by 99 mm bolt-action anti-material sniper rifle, CMP-9 submachine gun, Caracal EF and Caracal F Gen 3 combat pistols. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.